Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's another Fast Fix Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to remove wing mirror on a R50, 52 or 53 Mini. Now we're replacing this one for obvious reasons. So underneath the base of the mirror there is there's three 5mm Allen key screws. Obviously, if your mirror is still intact, it should sort of swivel like this. You'll be able to get them two, and then it's sort of swivel this way, and you'll be able to get that one. So let me set the tripod up and I'll show you. We start by turning the mirror. These ones, as you might have seen, are pretty crusty, so we're probably going to have to give a little tap on the socket. You can use a little hammer. I'm just going to use the head of my ratchet just to make sure it's sort of seated properly in that head of that bolt. There we are, that's that one cracked. This one looks even worse. Hopefully it comes out. Come on. Oh yes, lovely, lovely. With ease. Now, I think this has been, or it had been, tiger sealed into place. It turns out the electrics are knackered, so the glass won't adjust. I'm hoping second-hand mirror is going to sort it. If not, I'll have to look at tracing the wire in, perhaps. We'll cross that bridge if we come to it. I've just twisted the mirror the other way around so we can get into this one. And this one doesn't look as bad as them two. Nice. And then when this is out, the mirror should lift away from the body of the vehicle, and you're left with just an electrical connector, if you can see it. Two tabs, you just want to squeeze them, disconnect the mirror. Lovely. And there we go, wing mirror done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.